awesome. Where would you say that like open source contributions play in the continued education and upskilling uh, kind of tool house?
Yeah, so I think open source is it's very valuable, but you have to pick the right open source projects to be contributing to. I got told this too when I was out of the boot camp, and I wanted to get some like actual developer experience without first having a job, and so everyone kind of told me the same thing about, oh, you should contribute to open source. But if you look at most of the open source, you're like, what am I looking at? Like it's just like it's a very like heavy code, and like a lot of it's it's really hard to jump in sometimes as a junior developer. So one thing I would say is that yes, contribute to open source, but don't feel pressure to do it immediately. But the way I would think about it is, um, there's two ways to go about this. One, I'll share a link. Maybe after this, I can send it to you, Cody. There's a link on GitHub where this person he gathers up a lot of these beginner-friendly open source projects on GitHub, and then you can get involved, especially as a student. And a way to get started is typically there's tickets available on GitHub through these different projects where you can look at the bug defects that are open, or they also include documentation updates that they need someone to write or update. Those are good entry-level exposures that I would highly recommend that students look at. And then that's one avenue. Another one might be is if you have a package that you really love to work with. So if we're just talking JavaScript, npm, let's just say Express. You really liked working with Express, and you want to get deeper into how this package works. Focus on understanding that one package. Again, the quality aspect here works as well. Focus on like how that package works and contribute that way as well. So there's two different avenues. One, focus on the concentration of quality of one package that you're really a fan of, or on Google, search up easy open source contribution projects that I can get involved with, and you'll see like a list of the ones that they need help with. And there's always going to be defects or bugs that opportunities that you can fix on there. And
Love that.
yeah, this is as real as it gets. You get to be able to open a PR, and you get to be part of the credit. You get to add your credit to a name to a project that a lot of other people use, and yeah, it's a good exposure.